with you the healthy Daliya recipe that your favorite learner bee has for breakfast. Make sure you see the video and get your mommy to make it for you. Be a part of the Healthy Learner Bees community. Well, we are going to need 200 grams of Daliya for the preparation. The rest of the recipe follows. Stay tuned.
We'll move on to the vegetables. We can basically include any vegetable, but I prefer including capsicums over any others because of its characteristic aroma. You can also include any other vegetables like carrots, cauliflowers, and I have also taken 2 medium-sized potatoes and a medium-sized tomato and green chilies. People with diabetes need to avoid the potatoes. So we'll chop the vegetables. Keep watching. We are ready with the vegetables now and we're going to start cooking. I'll be using a pressure cooker for this and I have put it on the oven already. I'm going to add some oil. We don't need too much of oil. As the oil heats up, we'll be adding a spoon of cumin seeds, and allow it to splutter. Please be careful with the seeds, they do splutter. We start adding the potatoes. I also add the turmeric powder at this step because adding it right in the beginning helps it to dry out the smell. About a spoon of turmeric powder. And then we mix it all. Just a little stir so that the raw smell of the turmeric powder dies off. The flame is medium high. We need to occasionally stir the mixture so that it doesn't get burnt. We add the green vegetables. In case you are having some other types of vegetables, you can add this also. Mix them all up. It's so colorful. I am adding the tomatoes also. Probably this is the first kitchen video I am shooting, so quite often I am having the feeling as if the steam is coming onto my face. I am sorry for that. Add the salt. I added 2 spoons. It totally depends on your choice and taste. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder. And mix up all the vegetables and the spices properly. We let the vegetables cook a little, and by the time that gets done, I'll go and wash my daliya. It should be washed at least once. Daliya actually contains bits and pieces of husk from the wheat. It's better if we wash it off. Just be careful because the pieces are small, they tend to fall off. You can also use a strainer to wash the daliya. I did not record my daliya washing, but it's washed. I used a spoon because it was already so hot. Mix the daliya with the vegetables. You don't need to fry it. Just mix it up all well. I'm going to add water to this. I added a little more than 1.5 liters of water. So that's the kind of ratio we can follow. I had 200 grams of daliya and I used 1.5 liters of water. The basic reason is that daliya tends to stick and it becomes a hard lump if we are not having enough water in it. So to be safe, let's add more water right from the beginning so we don't end up having a lump on our plate. We can wait for the water to boil or we can cover the lid right away. Cover the lid and keep the flame on high so that pressure builds up in the vessel. As the first whistle goes off, we can lower the flame and put it on a low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's finally done and we're going to open it. Just be careful because a lot of steam comes out. I've got some green coriander and dill leaves for garnishing. I've got the serving bowl. If you have guests, you can put it out in the bowl. That's a good amount of daliya, a good amount of breakfast. My family loves this a lot and it's never enough. Try this out. Let me know how it felt. My family loved it.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.